Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $500 in free PayPal money crazy fast. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. Now, before I get into the method, I want to talk about the free money giveaway. Now, make sure you click on that link in the description below and also in the comments where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. And once you click on there, become eligible, follow those instructions, then you'll be all set to win this free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. Now watch this video all the way to the very end, because something is going to pop up on the screen that I want you to type down in the comments section. This is going to increase your chances of winning the free money. So you need to watch this video all the way to the very end, guys, please. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay, guys, I'm on the internet and I went to the Google Play Store and I went ahead and pulled up this app. The name of this app is Make Money Now, Big Cash Rewards and Paid Surveys. So I've talked about a lot of survey apps in the past, but this one is very new. I've never talked about it before. So guys, this is your time to get on this app before too many people get on it, because when you get on an app like this early, you'll get a lot of rewards real quick. You get paid real quick too. So let's just look at some of the screenshots right quick so we can get an idea of how the app looks inside and how it works. So right here is some of the offers that you're going to receive, and here's the reward. They pay you out in coins and you redeem those coins for PayPal money. So they have all different type of rewards on here. Let's go to the next one. And here's a screenshot of the PayPal payout. So this many coins, you'll get $5. So you're going to get a lot of coins, guys, and they're going to add up real fast just doing these offers, playing games, doing paid surveys, and you'll be able to cash out way more than $5. Now let's just scroll down here and read a little bit more about this app. So Make Money Now, Big Cash Rewards and Paid Surveys is the answer. Make Money Now is a survey app which works like an additional job for you to earn an extra salary. Free apps, free games, and completing surveys let you earn easy and fast money. So all you're going to be doing is scroll through the offer list, read the offer description, pick your favorite offer, get to work and make that money. So let's just scroll down here and read the review and rating. So the rating out of 5 stars is 4.7. Wow, 4.7. That is a high rating. It's not many apps out there that's 4.7. Because I always say anything over 4 is a very good app. So let's go ahead and read one of these reviews. Okay, here's a review right here. This person says, it's been so easy that you can earn money for answering the simplest questions ever. So this person is very, very satisfied because he's saying he's making money very easy, just answering some simple little questions. And that's all you're going to be doing, guys, answering simple little questions and getting paid some good money. And as you can see here, they got good customer service. They even responded to this comment, right, to this review right here. So they say, thank you so much for your comment. With your support, you are helping us grow. See, I'm telling you guys, they knew they're trying to grow. This is the time to jump on this app right now. So to jump on this app right now and get started, it's in Google Play Store. Go to Make Money Now, Big Cash, Rewards, and Paid Surveys. Now, I want to show you just one more app. It's a new app too. I've never talked about it before. I'm going to show you one more app and I'm going to go through it right quick because I don't want to be too long on this video. So let me go to that second app. Okay, guys, I put up the second app and the name of this app is Cash 'em All, Play Games, and Win Free Gift Cards. So here's a video right here you can watch to learn a little bit more how it looks inside, how it works. But we're just going to go through some of the screenshots right quick. So right here, earn money playing games. So you can get PayPal money and Amazon gift cards. So play for free. As you can see here, you're going to be getting coins when you play these games. You're going to be discovering new games so you can win more coins. And let's just scroll down here and read a little bit more. So Cash 'em All is so easy to use. Get Cash 'em All now for free. Play any of our free partner games. Earn coins for every second you play. The more you play, the more money you'll make. Trade coins for any gift card or real money rewards. Wow, this sounds good, guys. Sound like another good opportunity you can need to jump on. Let's look at the rating. So in this one is over 4 stars too. 4.3 out of 5. That's real good. And let's look at one of the I don't know why I'm saying comments, one of the reviews. So honestly, besides my thoughts on wanting more featured game app shown, it's the only legit app I've found so far that actually pays to play for real money. So this person say this is the only legit app they have come across that pays real money. So guys, that says it all. You need to jump on this app too. So that's all I'm gonna say about this app. Go ahead and go to Google Play right now or after this video and download this app, get to playing games and start making this money. Cash 'em all, play games, and win free gift cards. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, for everybody that watched this video all the way to this point, please type this number that's going to pop up on the screen right now. Type it down in the comments. It's going to increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. And also lets me know that you watched this video all the way to the very end. I really appreciate it. Thank you for that. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support. Before I go, I need you to do this. Get your grind on because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and always have a prosperous day.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on.